Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update. I have not actually filmed a video or worn makeup for 3 weeks and it's been driving me nuts, especially this time of year. I really wanted to get some awesome Christmas stuff, some New Year's stuff filmed and ready, but sadly I've had this awful infection in my eye and it's pretty much prevented me from wearing makeup. Even now, like today's the first day I've actually got makeup on and I still have not put it on my eyes. I just still want to give my eyes more time to heal. I've had this for 3 weeks. Yeah, almost 4 weeks. It's awful. Oh my God. Anyway, I still wanted to film for you. They're feeling so much better. They're definitely on the mend. So yes. So because I can't really do Christmas videos, I thought I would do a Lush unboxing. I'm guessing there is some Christmas goodies in here. So I guess this is kind of Christmassy. What are your plans for Christmas? I'm so excited for Christmas this year because normally I've worked pretty much every single Christmas. I didn't work last Christmas because obviously Hazel was a newborn, but this year my dad's got Christmas off. It is his first Christmas off in 7 years. My mum was meant to be working because that's just the way their rosters work, but she's actually got it off as well. So it is going to be an actual real Christmas this year. For me, like first time in, God, 8-9 years, I think. Normally we just do like an early family Christmas kind of thing, so. Oh yes, it is Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. Lush Christmas Bingo 2018. I'm going to dive in. Oh my gosh, there's a bit of stuff in here. Okay, so this is the first thing that I've picked up. This is Cherry Christmas. Oh, the smell, oh my gosh. So this says Sicilian lemon and buchu oils bring the cheer. Pop this bundle of joy into the bath and allow the intricate patterns to take shape before your eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh wow. So it's got like a snowflake cut out of it and it's pink and it's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's got like a sherbet, mouth-watering kind of scent to it. Like as soon as I smelt that, my mouth just flooded with saliva. It's got kind of chunks of blue in here as well, so that would be so pretty, I reckon. All right, the next thing I can find. Hazelnut, hello gorgeous girl. This is the Twilight Sparkle Jar. Add a touch of sparkle to the slumber party. Poke holes in the dimples and dust all over. When it's empty, the cocoa butter pot can massage all over the skin. Oh my gosh, I think I've seen these before. Yes. Hazel, you've got the tripod, don't you, sweetie? Can you hold this one for mummy? Sweetheart, can you hold this one instead? Look, here, this one is for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft and buttery, like super hydrating. So I'm guessing you poke into these holes, which I'm gonna do right now, and then it's filled with powder. What do I want? Little end of a syringe. Sweetheart, no. Oh my gosh, I should have done that on camera. It's filled with powder that is like this gorgeous, glowy, oh, it smells amazing. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna like rub this in. It's got like this gold iridescent kind of glow quality to that. Can you see it? Like it's subtle, but it is super nice. I think actually, if you were to rub this over your skin first as like a kind of moisturizing balm, it would almost be like an adhesive for the glitter powder on the inside and just make it pop so much more. That is awesome. Thank you guys. All right, so here is the next little goodie I'm finding. This is a sample of Shooting Stars. It says, thank your lucky stars for starfruit puree, mighty lime and bergamot. Oh my gosh, again, my mouth just flooded with saliva. Oh, like mouth-watering citrus goodness. Like it smells like a Starburst lolly kind of thing, like lime. Oh, I'm actually like, salivating. The color's really cool too. It's got a little bit of kind of glitter reflect on it as well, which is super pretty. So I'm guessing this is a soap bar as well. All right, next thing I am seeing is this. This is the Luxury Lush Pud. Grab your favorite book, run a hot bath, and get in. It's time to get berry comfy with cassis and bergamot. Dissolve your pud in the tub and sink into your just desserts. Oh my gosh, this sounds amazing. Look. Oh, the scent. Oh my gosh, guys. It smells sweet, but not like sickly sweet. Definitely like a berry kind of scent to it. It's got like big globs of different color in here as well, so this would be super, super pretty in the bath. Here's the next goodie I am seeing. This is Rose Argan Sparkly Naked Body Conditioner. Oh my gosh. Rose Absolute, geranium, and lemon oil are brought together in an exquisite floral friendship. Sweep this pot of gold across the skin while in the shower or bath. Rinse and step out smelling of roses. Oh gosh. Oh, I love rose scented things, or like Turkish delight kind of stuff. It just, oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like, packaging free, which is awesome. I did have the original, I think, rose body conditioner, which did come in packaging, even though the packaging was like reusable and all that jazz. But this is so cool. It's definitely solid. It just feels like a solid shea butter moisturizer kind of thing. And this would be amazing. And I can honestly picture this making your skin be like buttery soft. All right, next one. Oh, it looks like we've got another one. This is the Charity Pot Naked Body Lotion. Lotion, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Giving never felt so cool, and getting naked feels even better. Oh yeah. 100% of proceeds from this product, minus GST, helps grassroots groups across the world stroke directly onto your skin for feel-good fragrance. Oh my gosh. I am absolutely loving like this kind of packaging free stuff, because I'm not saying that I'm zero waste or anything like that, probably far from it, but you know, trying my best, and I guess every little bit helps. So, oh, this feels so good. It smells incredible. It does have like a cocoa buttery kind of scent to it, but it's still kind of fresh and just amazing. And I can picture it like melting into your skin. So I'm just gonna like glide it on. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my gosh, like that just, this would be a really nice massage bar, I think, as well. I love that. Oh, yeah. All right, here's the next thing. Oh, yes. Okay, Snow Fairy Shower Gel for sparkle like there's snow tomorrow. Lather up in candy sweet suds that shimmer like magic on a bubblegum breeze. So at the bottom here, you can see all of that glitter. So obviously, you know, you'll give it a bit of a shake, and once you start to use it, you'll really shake it up and get all this amazing glitter and sparkle. Oh, bubblegum goodness. But I'm not one that really likes like super sickly sweet scents, and you would think that bubblegum is one of those, but this one is actually nice. Like, it's not headache inducing. It's just, oh, very sweet and amazing. All right, next little goodie I'm finding. Once Upon a Time body lotion. So Happy Lime and Sicilian Lemon will have you smiling and whistling while you work. That color, oh my gosh, it smells so nice and fresh. It is like a super thick cream. Like, this would be really hydrating. I love the scent. Oh, okay. Oh yes, I'm like a moisturizer addict. Oh, I cannot go a day without moisturizer, or even like a few hours without moisturizer. Okay, so they are all of my Lush Christmas goodies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Lush for sending them out to me. Come here, Poppet. And again, I do apologize for not filming any Christmas kind of videos. It's just super bad timing, and I honestly just want to give my eyes as much chance as I can to kind of relax. So yes. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous Christmas. If you don't hear from me, I'll probably be updating you all on stuff on Instagram as always. Hazel's due for a nap, so I'm gonna toddle off. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.